Hi guys, today's lesson is over finding y-intercept in a table, all right? Here's what we're going to say. To find y-intercept in a table, we want to find the place where x is 0. The matching y value is going to be our y-intercept, all right? Let's take a look at an example and teach you what we just told you here, all right? Look at our first example here. We have a table, and again, our table may be written across, it may be written up and down, but that's not going to change what we're looking for here with the y-intercept. Again, if I look back at my definition here, we want to find the place where x is 0. Well, I see right here that our ordered pair when x is 0 is the pair 0, 2. Well, this just happens to be our y-intercept. Simply put, when x is 0, we're just looking to see what our y value is when x is 0, and we're going to write that then as an ordered pair. That will be our y-intercept. So we're going to say the y-intercept is the ordered pair 0, 2. You might just see it written as 2, but we want you to write it there as an ordered pair, the point 0, 2. All right? Always look to see when x is 0 in the table. All right, this next example, I want you to try out here on your own. Again, we're going to write it as an ordered pair, but I want you to pause this right now, and I want you to try to figure out what the y-intercept would be in this table that's written up and down. All right, go ahead and moving on here. If we look here, we don't see a value here where x is 0, all right? However, we do see a pattern starting to develop with our x and our y values here. There may be times where you're going to have to continue on or fill in a pattern here to find the x and the y values that are missing, as is this case right here. I see there's no value right now when x is 0. Well, I'm just going to have to fill in that missing value based on the pattern that I see is developing here. The pattern that I see is developing is I see that x should be increasing by 2 here, all right? And I see here that y looks to be possibly from the top here decreasing by 2. All right? So now I have filled in the missing value here, and I see now that when my x value is 0, my y value is 2, okay? Just kind of a coincidence that we had the same y-intercept as our first example, but guys, that will not always be the case. So again, our y-intercept is the ordered pair 0, 2. All right? So again, in a table, just look to see when x is 0, what y is, and then just write it as an ordered pair. All right, thank you.